Hi everyone, I'm Birgit O'Connor and welcome to Rock, Sand, and Sea Glass. Here we are in my studio and this is where we're going to have our live meetings. I'll also be doing demonstrations, problem solving, and so on. Now what makes this course really different are the live meetings. We all have an opportunity to engage, you can meet other students, and it's a wonderful conversation. Now they are optional, you don't have to join if you don't want to, but I suggest that you give it a try. And if you can't make the meetings, you can always watch the recording. So it's a nice option. So I'm going to give you about a week before we actually have our meeting, because that way it'll give you time to start working through the lessons, and then you'll have some questions for me, and you might even have some actual paintings to upload and share and want to ask me about. So anyway, we have a lot of things to cover, and what's so interesting is that people can be so successful with it, and you can take the techniques that you're going to be learning in this course and apply it to just about any composition. And if you're doing a composition on rock, sand, and sea glass, it's really easy to just even come up with something out of your imagination. And in fact, that is more of what I'm trying to guide you towards, is not actually always having to look at the reference photo or using the reference photo exactly as a reference and not trying to copy it exactly to take it to the next level. So we have a lot of fun through this, and just work your way through the course. You'll find on the section where it says meetings, on the meeting schedule there's a little video that's going to show you some of the tools of how to join the meeting and about the microphone, the camera, and other information. So anyway, until we meet, happy painting. And if you have any questions, go ahead, write in the comment box below the lesson, and I will respond to you as quickly as possible. All right, until then, keep those brushes wet. I'll talk to you soon.